Hey guys, it's Nathan. Sorry, it's Nathan, and today I'm going to be filming a bike check. So let's get started. I'm alone, so I need to film it, so you can't really see me doing this. But so it's a Harrow Downtown 18, I think, complete. And I've added a couple parts to it. It's a really nice bike and feels great. So I've got these Colt Vans grips, super grippy, unless they get wet or your hands are sweaty. Got these ramped 4-piece bars, I think 9.45 rise. Got this Harrow brake lever, Harrow brake cable, ramp stem I bought from my friend for like 20 bucks. The forks are Harrow, are red. I've got these animal, I think animal pegs. These crown valve caps. First thing I got on my bike, so I've got those. Harrow tires. Harrow on top and Harrow rims. My frame is the Harrow Downtown 20.3. It's really sturdy. Got some duct tape there and blood right there from my knee. The Harrow seat, it's not comfy at all, but I don't sit on it, so. Got the Harrow, what are these? I can never, cranks, Harrow pedals with reflectors, hopefully get new ones. They spin really good though. My back wheel's a cassette with Harrow rims, Harrow tires, and a Harrow cassette peg, animal pegs, and then my sprocket is a Harrow 25T, and my chain's a Harrow. So this was my bike check. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace.